alarm call, like at a business where they don't want to say it over the air. So they'll send it to the mobile-based computer, NBC. So when you see it's just sent an NBC alarm to your screens, that's what she means. But yeah, they use them for pretty rough personal situations where they don't want to put the people's name out there, and that's good. I mean, and I wouldn't go film that stuff anyways. That's not what I'm trying to. I ain't trying to go film domestic violence or anything like that. I mean, I'm not trying to ignore it, but it's not anything that you should live stream. Somebody going through that. Hiccups for 5 days and a premise hazard and a comment that he didn't. Oh. That'd be interesting if we were up that way. Added a note to the comments, see? That's just an example of NBC. He pushed it to their computers. This thing's kind of tangled on there, man. I walked right up on it. If you rewind, you'll see.
Use clear. 7713 traffic.
10-4, I copy that it was a water issue. Your volume is low. Can you 10-9 the last part?
If you end up getting in contact with another building rep, just pass that information.
10-4.
7713. Northland and Richmond. Wisconsin Auto, Adam King Henry 7743, AKH 7743.
Sure.
548.
Go ahead.
525 is 195.55.
Done.
Wisconsin Public Service.
I'm in the area. I'll take 74.
74, I copy. Thank you.
Yep, they gotta fix it too.
Go ahead. What?
Oh, that big green camper up by the pumps at Quick Trip.
From Onigami.
Go ahead, Onigami.
The key holder I was able to make contact with was unable to get someone to respond to the scene. I have made them aware that it was a water issue.
The scene just keeps getting bigger and bigger.
10-4.
But yeah, you can see we got power company here now.
Ratty, apparently his shoes are over there as well. Some moccasin style shoes.
There you can kind of see it. What's that song? One headlight. Wah wah.
Alright, we're looking.
Wah.
There's one right here.
Meow, meow, meow. One headlight. Meow, meow. Scoop it up. Oh, you get blinded again. Oh, Nolte, and your lights. Holy cow, look at those lights. Shit. Nobody can film through that. Wow. Once that car gets up on that bed, it'll get better. Man, they just keep spreading this scene out further and further. He's got to get up in there. You know, it's actually nice out now. It's actually not raining.
915.
Go back down here now that everybody's here. Now that the whole party's joined. Yeah, man. So this is on Oregon Main Street. Gosh. Yeah, this car smoked the power pole or a light pole. Pretty hard. Yeah. Oh, God, yeah. That car's mangled, man. He straight destroyed that car. Look at the back wheels on it. Look at the back wheels. Those back wheels, man. In the front. Oh, shit. So the thing is just being a bitch shit and up on the bed. You got around there, man. That's about it.